is going to be a guide on how to buy stocks. It is time for us to build wealth. 2025, this is going to be our year to build wealth. And I recently got into stocks. Well, actually it's been like a year or two. I don't know if you guys remember this, but I remember vividly. It was this guy, he was on live and he exposed how him and his friends, what they do every year, they buy stock, make it all high, and then they sell it. And then that's how they make a profit. So when he went live, he went viral and he told all his secrets, and us, we jumped on a bandwagon. We bought the stock, made it too high for them to repurchase. I was like, who's this right here? It's my baby, my dog. So after that, I have been investing, and I want to give you guys some tips on how you can as well. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the AI stocks. That has been going viral as well on TikTok. You guys know I love TikTok. And I'm very interested in this. I want to talk about that as well. We're going to talk about cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about investing in your retirement 401k. It's not a secret that it's running out. Social Security is running out. And I know I'm far away from it, but it's always in the back of my mind. I don't know, like, I guess it's paranoid. I don't know. I'm just thinking, like, what's going to happen to the people that's on it? What's going to happen to people who are not there yet? And what's going to happen to me? Literally all the money that I've been putting into. It's a lot. So basically, we'll talk about all that in this video. So let's go straight to the first tip. So why is stocks important? It is known historically that it does outperform bonds and other savings accounts. Also, stocks has delivered about 7 to 10% annually after inflation. So before I continue my tips, I have some notes about AI stocks, and I wanted to talk about it real quick, because if you guys don't know what AI stocks is, it is an artificial intelligence, automation, and machine learning are seeing explosive growth. Okay, and these are just some few, but mind you, I have not really invested into AI stocks, but I'm very interested in it. So these are a few: Alphabet and AI startups. And Navita, I know I'm saying it wrong. I'll probably put it somewhere here. For you guys can look into it. So, and another thing, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency and NFTs. I don't know about cryptocurrency. I don't know about that yet. I do invest in it, but I don't know how to take my money out, if that makes sense. So I don't know, but everybody's saying that's the new wave of things, cryptocurrency. But cryptocurrency is not so like a stock, you know what I mean? It's not like a stock. This is my person, mind you, I don't have a degree in this, but this is for me learning. It's not like a stock, but it's growing, and people are very interested in cryptocurrency. They're always talking about it. And I met this guy. He was trying to brag, I guess. He was trying to talk to me. He said, do I invest? And I said, yeah. And he said, look, and he showed me his cryptocurrency. He had over $500,000, but I mean, it was cryptocurrency. And I'm like, okay, that's nice. So I'm like, I don't know. So let me just not really talk about that. Let me go back to my notes. Okay, that's a little side note of to talk about. Also, cryptocurrency and NFTs, like I said, those two is like, I'd rather just stick with stocks. Tell me if I'm wrong. This is the real serious part right here. This is how to start investing. So first, let's decide whether you want active or passive investing. Passive is a low-cost index fund. It's exchange traded funds. That's what it's ETFs. It's great for beginners. So active is picking individual stocks, which requires more research and strategies. After you figure out if you want passive or active investing, now it's time to start a brokerage account. Like I said in my intro, I was saying how I got into stock from a guy who basically, he exposed what he was doing, what him and his friends was doing, and how they became millionaires from buying and selling stocks. That's how I got into stocks, right? And then as soon as I started with Robinhood. Now I've been hearing so many bad things about Robinhood, so I don't know if you should invest in sign up with Robinhood, but think about it. Well, not think about it. Do your research about it. That's what I meant. Do your research, because like I said, I only started with Robinhood after I saw that video, and later it comes out that Robinhood is not the best. So a lot of things about Vanguard. That's the one that is very popular. So Vanguard is a good one. American Trade is one, and also E-Trade. I'm gonna have some other ones listed below if you guys want to check them out, but I suggest Vanguard. That's a safe way. I would say Robinhood. I started off with Robinhood and my stocks went up a lot, but I'm like, I don't know, but I'm just like I said, I've been hearing bad things about them and how they won't let you buy stocks. Like once you buy it, they won't let you it's something, I don't know. Let me just not talk about it. I saw a video about it. That's the only reason. I don't know if Robinhood's good. I still have Robinhood though. And also, while we're talking about brokerage accounts, I do recommend everyone start to invest in a retirement plan. For a 401k is with your job. So we need a Roth IRA. I recommend, because like I said this earlier, we don't know what's going on with the world. We don't know what's going on with retirement. And they want to extend, I don't know, hopefully they don't, but they've been threatened to extend a retirement age. No. So I do suggest just to create it, invest a few bucks in there monthly. Just have a safety net. This is all this video is basically is. A safety net. No, actually a safety net and building wealth. You know what I mean? Like, it's time for us to build wealth. It's time. Alright, so we're talking about the good stuff. Let me see. I have all my notes, like I said, right here. Talk about retirement. Okay, so research and pick stocks. Let's see. So I'm gonna start with ETFs or index funds. These are less risky for beginners since they spread the risk across multiple companies. Individual stocks share basic strategies for picking individual stocks. So look at companies' fundamental revenue and earnings, research companies' potential for growth, and also understand companies' competitive position and management. On how to invest, I do recommend people read books as well and listen to podcasts. I have financial books that I do read, and it's been helping me. Like I said, I'm trying to be a millionaire. I want to be a millionaire. Okay, so these books been helping me, and also I listen to a lot of podcasts, and the podcasts are motivation, and also it's about wealth, how to get out of debt. Those are the type of podcasts that I like to listen to, and it motivates me as well. So that is it on my tip. I know it was short. If you have any questions or if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.